take a mission by the gentleman who was assigned to lead it, Lieutenant Colonel Jimmy Doolittle. And the aircraft they used is now approaching from the right. This one being flown by the Missouri wing of the Commemorative Air Force. This is the B-25 Mitchell bomber. Jimmy Doolittle went to the men of the 17th Bomb Group, called them all together and said, and a half a mile to launch a 28,000-pound bomber made up of Kobe and Yokohama. That's some 600 miles farther out from the coast of Japan. The carrier fleet was discovered by a Japanese picket boat, and they feared. The crews scrambled aboard the aircraft, taking 5-gallon cans of gas with them, just whatever they could do. And all 16 aircraft launched from the deck of the Hornet in as little as 467 feet. Granted, way less than a third to a half a mile. They bombed their targets, taking Japan totally by surprise. But as we see the aircraft come by, the airplane now climbing and diving in toward the B-25 was the big adversary during World War II, and that was the Japanese Zero. But as the B-25s delivered their bombs on target, breaking the Japanese feeling of invincibility, they headed toward safe bases in China. Some of them running out of fuel and ditching into the ocean. Several crew members died. Some were taken prisoner, and he is the sole surviving member. This is the kind of combat that would go on with a highly agile Japanese Zero chasing after the B-25. Firing its 2 machine guns located in the cockpit, firing through the propeller with an interrupter gear.